Again, I have to do this very fast. I have a guest in the house, and it would be impolite to go on forever and ever. Oh my God, it might just happen, but I'll try and for not to happen. See that little piece I'm working on in the back? I changed it around. You see the duck? He's running and he's pushing the donut. This is the gurgle of the sun pushing its energy wand inside. And there's the man at the bottom hoping that the water, and he can get across the bridge. When you walk into certain gambling resorts, they'll tell you it's a $2 minimum for one. Just like when you go for drinks and it's a 2-for-1. When you go for a drink, you go with somebody else. When you play poker, you have a drink each. So it's 2-for-1. Inside of 360 degrees, okay, you have two sides, right? Your two sides of 2-for-1 equals to 4 corners. Birth is 9. The maximum is 9. The minimum to create 360 is 4. 40 by 9 or 90 by 4. 90 is creation. 40 of the blue world. Blue is on fire. This is where we get our 15 from, and it relates into pi because it's 4 around 1 in pi. It's 3, 2, 1 pi. The dot is in between the dot and the 1 to the right, the 3 to the left. Why is it 3 to the left? Because it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and that's all you'll see. Even when you go 4, 5, 6, it's 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. It's still 1 position, 2 position, 1 position again. The zigzag is what makes it 1 position. 1, 5, 9. Then you go to 11. Then you cross over. But I'm not going to get into that right now. I'm jumping off the subject. 1 to 9 payout on $2 is $2.10. The minimum payout is 105. 105 minimum bet is a $2 bet. You collect 210. 210 becomes 216. 105 becomes 165. Aleph, Zion, creation of space. The 1 now divides space. You made space, you divided the space. 210, 105, 315. Go on your computer on the bottom row. The third letter is C. The first letter on the second row is A. And the fifth letter on the top row is T. The first letter in the alphabet is A. The third letter in the alphabet is C. The fifth letter is E. Ace, cat. Cat, scratch. 216, 9 days by 24. The cube of light. Saturn lights. Inside, they now match 1, 6, 1, 6. This one with 5, this one with 2. What is 2 and 5? They're the center, 2, 5, 8. What makes the world go round? Venus balances the two sides. To the left side is the 4, to the right side is the 6. To the left side is the 3, to the right side is the 7. We balance on the moon, on the ring of the moon. We balance 2 worlds, on the ring of the moon and the earth. We need to because it's inside of numbers. 216, artificial intelligence, birth of light, because it's 109. 109 because it is the 0, 5 area, the center of both sides. If it's 109 and the area that's between both sides is 5, that will now tell us something new. You know what that tells us? I want to see if I wrote this down. The cube center loses all 3. This is the center of the cube. Okay? The ring or the cord or the rope passes through here and comes out on this end. It uses the bottom part of the dice, the center part of the dice, and the top side of the dice. It crosses through top and through, blocking these 2 sides, leaving the top and the bottom open. So only 2 sides are free, 2 sides are blocked. Surrounding this is 9. There's a total of 9, but there's only 8 on the outside and 1 that turns the clock. So there's only 8. So the maximum is 8. 8 by 45 equals to 360. And that's the least you can do. It's 8 times 45. We lose the center. 1, 2, 3 is not 1, 2, 3. It's 3 and 3, but it's not 3 and 3. It's 3, 1, 1, 3 is what it must be, because it's blocked either this way, so we can go 3 in a row, or it's blocked this way. The total is 8. 212 is equal to 5. 414 is equal to 9. 5 and 9 is the rotation and the number to everything. It creates 45, and 5 and 9. 5 and 9, what is 5 and 9? 5 is equal to 9, as 9 is equal to 5. It is the gateway of General Electric. Why? Because FIVE equals to 42 and NINE equals to 42. It will create the cat in the hat, 86, 2 by 4, 2 plus 4, 86. It makes everything perfect. I can't explain it anymore, but I was told that this place we live in is the key, the test of keys. Now the clay is at the end over here. It says the extraterrestrial is actually the extra testicles, because in this world it's man-made. So in testimony for the extraterrestrial, we have the extra testicles, and now that's why they made it, and they called it a man's world, because I guess we had to use that. The other thing I wanted to say is that the common cold, and the immune system is not run on planet Earth. It's from something somewhere else. It's an energy somewhere else. When you're sick, when you have a cold, when you're not feeling well, your whole body seems to go somewhere else, to a different place. It sort of feels shitty and it feels good at the same time. It feels like there's a calm inside the mind that is somewhere else. We're not taking care of them right here on this planet. But hey, perception of my own reality. What is the truth and the true reality? Well, I don't know what it is. But for me, I really, with my 9 years of experience in studying nothing, I can see clearly now. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus, and my sake is getting cold. Thank you.